We all got paid more.
And Abhi. I felt really big.
वो Amazon का है, Netflix का चल रहा है.
अरे
I'll come up with
कुछ और सोच ले.
Yeah, how was it?
I don't remember now. नहीं करते हम.
अरे बस खत्म हो रहा है. अरे बस खत्म हो रहा है.
You do?
Kung Fu.
Sorry, this we cannot allow.
Just go to Gulati and change your life.
ठगू के लड्डू खाए. ऐसा कोई सगा नहीं जिसको हमने ठगा.
ठगा नहीं. तो ये पहले बोल देती तो सुखी रहती.
Hello everyone, welcome to Fit Talk. Today we are joined by a very special cast of Rana Naidu. So let's just start the conversation right away. Hello guys, welcome.
Hi.
कैसा फील कर रहे हैं आप सब लोग?
Extraordinary.
मस्त.
So guys, since season 1 was a massive hit, right? Everybody loved it. What different and big we can expect in season 2? Rana, you.
Start with me? Yeah. We all got paid more.
या वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का हिस्सा है ना. या ऑब्वियसली.
See, first we are very excited that season 1 got the kind of love and adulation that it did, and not just from one pocket, but multiple pockets of the country. So I think that was very exciting. That never happened for a show before this. And essentially, the core of that was a family drama, a dysfunctional father, son, and brothers, kids, and all of that. Here it kind of pushes that envelope much more, where it gets very personal, it gets deeper. You've seen Rana Naidu fixing some stuff in part 1, he does it very easily. Here it gets into fixing himself, things for his family, and how everything breaks loose. But what's fun this time is there are a lot of new additions. There's a larger cast. There is the Oberoi family, with Rajat sir and herself and the brother who's Anuj, who have a different perspective. They're another. If you think the Naidus were dysfunctional, meet the Oberois. They're as dysfunctional as and crazy. And yeah, the action is really up. There is Arjun Roff, who's the antagonist of this show, and I think his track has been really phenomenal. So yeah, there's a lot that you can see in part 2.
Okay, and Kriti, what about you? How was the experience overall shooting the film and everything? Like, how was it?
Absolutely brilliant. I think one of the best things that have happened to me is surrounded by these really tall, amazing men between Rana, Rajat Kapoor and Tanuj. They're all over 6 feet tall, and even you. But I didn't work with you on this, right? We didn't actually share screen time together. And Abhi. But I love the idea of a 5 foot something taking on a 6 foot something. I think visually also it made me feel really, I felt really big. And I felt really happy doing what I was doing. I felt amazing just being surrounded with that energy also. Because I haven't worked with the rest of the Naidus. I've only actually worked with Rana on the show along with Rajat and Tanuj and, you know, the addition towards the Oberois. And I had a 3-second shoot with Venki sir, not even in the same frame. He just sees me from a distance. I was just happy that he's looking at me. But having said that, I was also very pampered. I got a lot of attention. Yeah, everyone was just pretty amazing actually.
Okay. Now, Abhishek, I have a question for you because you got a massive popularity as a Hatauda Tyagi. So, how did you prepare? अच्छा ठीक है. I'll get back to Rana.
अरे कुछ और सोच ले.
He got full scared. Like, oh no, I should
हाँ. अच्छा, is it okay? Because
तूने बोला कैसे यार?
सब खेल रहे हैं.
बिना एडिट करे यूज करना है इसको.
हाँ, तो Abhishek, you got massive popularity for the role of Hatauda Tyagi, right? So how did you prepare for such role? Like, what kind of mental preparation it takes, and like how intense it was for you? Yeah, how was it?
I don't remember now. It's been many years. I really have no clue. मुझे नहीं याद रहता है 1 साल 2 साल के बाद. इनफैक्ट ये प्रमोशंस में भी जब पूछते हैं ना कि क्या प्रिपरेशन किया था, कैसा हुआ था, सेट पे क्या हुआ था. I don't remember anything. Really, like it's like you move on to the.
Oh, finally, thank you. Somebody that's been honest. We've been trying.
When it's very difficult to get to stories कि अरे क्या हुआ था, what happened. You don't remember anything. You just move on to the next project or the next travel destination or whatever, and you move on. Then now it's for you or the audience to decide कि whether क्या हुआ था नहीं हुआ था. थोड़ा था कि तो मैं पुराना हो गया.
Just to add to what Abhishek is saying, like in a scene, everyone's trying to just create some magic, create some real moment and move on. How that real moment happened, nobody will understand actually. It could be a reaction that he did, which the reason why I reacted a certain way, or a line somebody said. I think it's a mixture of all of that, and it's hard to really emulate and talk about how that happened. Editing.
Only thing I can tell you is because this was the second season, and whenever the family was meeting, when we were meeting on set or whatever, it actually felt like we were meeting at home.
You know, Rana actually mentioned that yesterday. He said Mika had come to meet us, and we were all in this tent. And he said, yeah, she entered and she said, I feel like I'm a guest and I've come to meet your real family. That's how amazing it is. But you can tell that, right, by the chemistry that they have. It's pretty amazing. But तू ये बता, pranks कौन से किए?
प्रैंक्स नहीं करते आप बिलीव तो नहीं हो रहा बट
नहीं,
ठीक
आप
है
एक बात बताओ, हम काम करने जाते हैं, हमें काम के पैसे मिलते हैं. नेटफ्लिक्स अगर तुम्हें पता चला,
प्रैंक करने में आधा घंटा लग
वो
गया.
प्रैंक क्या था वो बता ही दीजिए अब
कैरेक्टर सब हमें बोलेंगे भाई तुम काम करो ना यार. क्या ये
यहाँ पे टचअप का टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था. वो कहते पोस्ट में कर लेंगे, जल्दी आओ जल्दी आओ.
भाई देखो एक और चीज है, बुली करने को प्रैंक नहीं करते.
यस.
आई थिंक
वाज इट अ बुलिंग और प्रैंक यू
अरे
टेल
वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर सेट यार. ये हमारा इनसाइड जोक था, तुम अलग ही टेंशन पे लेकर जा रही हो उसको.
प्रैंक नहीं हुआ.
करण बताएगा. करण ने प्रैंक करा. करण ने हमें बोला अरे बस खत्म हो रहा है, अरे बस खत्म हो रहा है, अरे बस खत्म हो रहा है. वो चलता रहा.
7 hours later.
ओके गाइस तो सिंस वी आर ऑन फिट तक तो हमें फिटनेस रिलेटेड आपसे क्वेश्चंस पूछने थे. राना सिंस you are very popular for your intense workout routine, so how do you know keep yourself fit, or you like what you do for fitness when you are traveling or you are shooting?
I'm not such a big fan of fitness actually, but because my job requires me to do it, I do it pretty well.
But people they look at you for it.
And to me, it's always my fitness has been designed around the role that I'm playing, because each character needs to look a certain way, and I feel like if you visually get that guy right, you will get a lot more things pretty easily. So I think most of my fitness is designed around that. But otherwise, just try to keep reasonably healthy and keep going.
Okay. No, but when
I'm
you
not
are
an extreme.
traveling, okay, but when you are traveling, like what you do, like when on shoot days, how do you keep yourself fit?
Well, once you rap, you have to work out. That's how life works.
What about you, Kriti? What you do for fitness? Like what's your go-to workout routine?
I actually don't have a go-to workout routine. I see how I'm feeling. When I feel like I'm losing motivation, I try and spice things up a bit. So I like doing aerial yoga. I love pole dancing. It's one of my most favorite forms of. Yeah, I love pole dancing. That's like my favorite kind of workout. I love lifting weights for sure. That's something I really enjoy. But I wish अगर मेरे में एक super power होती, I wish I could just be fit
Without working out.
Yeah, I mean, I love the the happy hormones that you get with the workout, but sometimes it's very hard to find motivation when you have to do it for a living and you have to keep at it. And like he said, it's character driven also. And if I'm being honest, I actually haven't worked out in 2 months because of an injury, but yeah, we'll get there. It's okay. Whenever I have something like that, then I just do yoga. I breathe a lot, but I'm more an advocate for mental fitness than physical. Physically we'll follow, but mentally if you're feeling good, everything looks good, feels good, it's all amazing.
Abhishek, what about you? How does your workout routine look like?
How do you come?
Huh?
Oh, nice.
You do?
Kung Fu.
Acha, Kung Fu and all. Any like weight training or yoga?
No, I've always believed in karate.
Acha. So since you guys are in Delhi and Delhi is famous, it's like a hub of street food. So any particular food that you guys want to try?
Last night we went to this place, Gulati. Dude, that's amazing. It's the best part.
One second. You know Gulatis? You look like you don't.
I have been. No, I have not been there. Sorry.
तुम दिल्ली
मैं
से
दिल्ली
हो?
से ही हूँ लेकिन मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर नहीं करती.
Sorry, this weekend पहले गुलाटी का खाना लाओ, उसको खिलाओ, फिर बात करेंगे हम.
Just go to Gulati and change your life.
Yeah, you won't ask us fitness questions and all after that.
I have not been to Gulati, so I'll really have.
और मैंने कोई कung fu नहीं किया है.
He really pulled it off, huh?
Can't you believe it?
Yeah.
Oh God, what is
I'm
happening?
like, आँखों में तो कुछ और ही दिख रहा है.
I just stay away from sweets for fitness. That's all.
Oh, you don't eat sugar?
I do, but I try to stay away.
ठीक है, first I'll go to Gulati's and then I'll do this. तो सबसे पहले now we have a
at Gulati.
है ना? Next time we will.
Yeah. Next time we'll do the interview provided you take us there for lunch or dinner. Your choice. and then we sit there only and do it.
By the way, I'm from Kanpur. I'm not from Delhi, but हाँ
ये
मुझे
पहले
वहाँ
बोल
के
दी थी
food,
तो सुखी
वहाँ
रहती।
के फूड मुझे पता है। मैंने
ठगू के लड्डू खाए
कि बिल्कुल खाए हैं, बदनाम उसकी कुल्फी खाई है, सब कुछ खाया
ठगू
है,
लड्डू द ब्रांड नेम
Yeah.
ऐसा कोई सगा नहीं
जिसको हमने ठगा नहीं।
ठगा नहीं, nice.
ऑल्सो बनारसी के लड्डू आर ऑल्सो वेरी पॉपुलर वहाँ पे, तो सब लोग यहाँ पे मांगते हैं जब भी कानपुर जाती हूँ मैं। अच्छा ठीक है, तो लेट्स जस्ट वी हैव अ वेरी स्मॉल रैपिड फायर फन फॉर यू गाइस। तो आप लोगों को जल्दी जल्दी क्विकली इसका रिप्लाई करना होगा। तो या
आप जल्दी जल्दी पूछना।
हाँ जी, जल्दी जल्दी पूछ रही हूँ मैं। ठीक है, अगर एक किसी सेलिब्रिटी का सरप्राइज केमियो डालना हो इस सीरीज में, तो हु वुड दैट बी?
First, I think there's so many in this. I don't think you can.
जस्ट वन, जस्ट वन।
संजय मिश्रा।
संजय मिश्रा, ग्रेट,
वो क्या करेंगे
वही तो
आई लव हिम। अगर सीजन 2 में किसी भी कैरेक्टर के साथ एक दिन के लिए रोल स्विच करना हो, तो हु वुड दैट बी एंड व्हाई?
Naga.
नागा।
I'd switch with Naga for sure. Like, that's the only thing I'd switch with.
Everyone.
I love Raman Naidu.
राणा नायडू सीजन 2 में कोई भी ऐसा सीन या ऐसा कोई भी मोमेंट जिसको सोच के हंसी आ जाती है, स्माइल आ जाती है face पे?
I think in the second season में Naga is doing a lot of comedy, so that's going to be fun.
That's okay. अभी तक एक कोई गुड न्यूज़ हो जो सीरीज को लेके आपने सुनी हो, कोई भी?
टीजर्स फैंटास्टिक, ट्रेलर्स ट्रेंडिंग, we're killing it.
एक ही लोग रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं, मतलब आप लोग क्यों नहीं बोल रहे
No,
हो
no,
कुछ भी?
she's
आप
our
लोग हंस।
spokesperson. Official spokesperson.
ओके ओके ओके, ठीक है। अगर कोई एक सुपर पावर मिले तो आप क्या चाहोगे और क्यों?
Teleportation.
Same.
Really?
Yeah.
कृति, यू? टेलीपोर्ट।
टेलीपोर्टेशन एंड जितना खाना है खाओ, कभी वेट नहीं
कभी
करोगे,
wait
हमेशा
नहीं।
फिट रहोगे।
ग्रेट, व्हाट अबाउट यू?
I think we're storytellers and filmmakers. We already have a superpower.
That one, we'll take that one for this.
We'll take that one. This is
दिल्ली वर्सेस बॉम्बे, कौन सा स्ट्रीट फूड आपको बेस्ट लगता
There's not even a argument. Please don't.
है? जस्ट टेक अ नेम, इट्स
आप कानपुर से होना यार, वही दिक्कत है। मत करो ये, मत खेलो ये।
वर्सेस बॉम्बे है ही नहीं। दिल्ली वर्सेस बाकी करो स्ट्रीट फूड के मामले में।
फिर भी एक दिल्ली वर्सेस बॉम्बे अगर हो जाता है, लेट्स से, इफ यू हैव टू पिक वन, तो फिर कौन?
दिल्ली के गोलगप्पे, वहाँ का मिसल पाव। खुश?
खुश।
चल।
नहीं दिल्ली का सारा स्ट्रीट फूड।
हाँ, लेकिन मिसल पाव और इधर बड़ा पाव इतना मस्त नहीं होता, वो उधर का ही अच्छा है ना, तो दे दो ना दोनों को पॉइंट। ऑफ कोर्स आई लव मिसल पाव। यू डोंट लाइक मिसल पाव? मेरे घर का।
वो that is not street food. See?
मैं सड़क पे खड़ी होके खाती हूँ, ठीक है? चलो यार, मूव ऑन करो।
अगर आपका एक कोई कैरेक्टर एक रियलिटी शो में पार्टिसिपेट करे, तो कौन सा शो होगा? कौन से शो में आप पार्टिसिपेट
हम
करना
सबको
चाहोगे?
बिग बॉस में डाल दो।
Shark Tank.
शार्क टैंक, नाइस, आई लाइक दैट।
व्हाट अबाउट
That's a
खतरों
great
के
one.
खिलाड़ी?
No, Shark Tank is our answer. We're all very ambitious people.
एक कोई अपकमिंग वेब सीरीज दैट यू वुड लाइक टू रिकमेंड टू योर व्यूअर्स?
अरे ये राना नायडू सीजन 2 आ रहा है ना 13
It's
तारीख को,
amazing
वही बात।
show.
वही देखो।
आउटस्टैंडिंग।
ओके गाइस, दिस वाज इट, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
Thank you.